Yes, Dakar 2025 was dreams come true. Racing for the first time the most difficult race on motorbikes in the desert, and become factory rider there was completely a big dream for me. Can finish my first Rally Dakar with the teammates, with Luciano, Sanders, and Kevin too, was a completely big dream for me. But now changed a little bit because I'm gonna be one of the top riders on one of the GP. So yeah, this changed a little bit the mind. Yeah, this year was a year with everything. Become winner of Rally 2 class in Rally Dakar in January. Then we go to Abu Dhabi and I crashed first stage. And yeah, after that I was like 1 month trying to recover it the fastest possible. Then we go to South Africa. Was an incredible race for us. I win in my class and I make P6 in the overall. So it was super good race for me. And then we arrived to Portugal after all the break summer. We was training a lot, pushing a lot with a lot of friends, training all the summer in the cycling bike, in the motocross tracks, pushing all the limits. And yeah, we arrived super good to Portugal. I make P5 in the overall, winning my class Rally 2. I was super happy with that because I think I make good step in front. I can fight with the top riders, so this makes me super motivated for the next races. No, it's not pressure because I'm doing what I like and I think I'm just having fun with the bike for the moment. I don't feel that pressure so much, so I'm super happy with that. Doing what I like, pushing to be in front, but yeah, it's always a good feelings. No, for me the most important I think is become a factory rider and can be a pro athlete, and I think I have good steps in front to do, and then when I make these big steps in front I think gonna be good ones. Yeah, my big dream right now is win one day the Rally Dakar in overall class. Let's see if we can make it, but yeah, for the moment I think it's time to improve, time to learn of this race because it's super important, the experience. So it's time to finish the race and try to be in front, but yeah, of course, is the dream, but needs to come true one day. Yeah, Dakar is different because all the riders say Dakar is similar than Morocco, Dakar is similar than this other race, but when you arrive there, you see everything is different, the pressure, the people who looks there, everything changed a lot, and yeah, when you are there, the most important thing is finish all the days, all the stages, to can take all the experience from all the race, and I think I'm super happy for my first Dakar to can make all the kilometers, finish my first Dakar to take the experience for the next ones. Yeah, I listened some rumors from Dakar 26, but I think gonna be like the last one, everything new for me. So I'm happy for that because I'm improving in learning fast because all the races I do is the first time for me. So I think if comes something completely new for me is good because I'm learning to learn everything completely new, all the races.